Sundus from Germany, the vaginal excretion is one of two types. It's either the one which is as a result of sexual discharge, guaranteed this is something that has to be removed and incurs ghusl, because the Prophet ﷺ was asked by a woman about this kind of excretion which was due to a wet dream. He said, minhu al-ghusl, a woman must perform ghusl, not just wudu. The second is what we call it the wetness. So there is some moist. It is not from the urethral canal. It's not any urine. It is not urine drops. It is vaginal, but due to the moist that may be natural in the in the orifice. So the ulama and the scholars even differ whether it is pure or impure. And the vast majority of the scholars are of the view that it is clean. When we say pure, means it doesn't require washing the body part which is moist with it. It doesn't require washing one's clothes. Okay? Doesn't require washing one's clothes as a result of that. But it only requires performing wudu. You see a major difference between urine or anything that comes, even excretion from the urethral canal, that would require the removal of the impurities. Ghusl, to remove the urine drops or the wetness, wash the body part which was soiled with the urine, the clothes which may have some moist or wetness from discharge, it must be washed because it's impure. But in the case of mere vaginal discharge due to the moistness that is already natural inside, you don't have to wash your body, you don't have to wash your private, you don't have to wash your undergarment. You just make wudu and that's it. Due to the fact that anything that comes out of as-sabilain, the two orifices, that voids the wudu. The discussion between the scholars, Sister Sundus, was concerning whether it is tahir or not tahir. So if it is tahir, which is the opinion of the vast majority of the scholars, then you don't have to wash your private. You don't have to wash the clothes which were moist with this discharge. Okay? If it is not tahir, then according to Ibn Hazm and others, you would have to wash everything that was moist, whether it's body soiled with the discharge or the